My dear students, welcome to my English class. In my previous class, you all learned about voice sense, active and passive voice. And today we will continue our previous lesson in this class. First, you know that voice is of two kinds. Voice is of two kinds. One, active voice. Two, passive voice. My dear students, voice is of two kinds. One, active voice, and the other is passive voice. Now you have to be clear about active and passive voice. Which one is called active and which one is called passive voice. Active voice, in an active voice, my dear students, the subject of the sentence performs the action. Subject of the sentence performs the action. Please look at the blackboard. Active voice, he drinks tea. He drinks tea. He drinks tea. Here the subject of the sentence he is performing the action. He drinks tea. Here subject he, VT, drink, object tea. Have a look at the blackboard and you see that here the subject of the sentence is performing the action. But in a passive voice, the subject does not perform the action, but the subject suffers the action of the verb. Have a look at the blackboard. Tea is drunk by him. My dear students, try to understand here. In this sentence the subject is tea, but the subject, is the subject performing any action in this sentence? The subject is not performing the action, but the subject is suffering the action of the verb. Suffering the action of the verb. Tea is drunk by him. Then today we will learn voice sense depends on sentence and tense. Sentence, tense. And you have to be clear about three items. One is subject, second VT, verb transitive, and then object. These three things should be clear to you: subject, VT, and object, my dear student. Then I have said earlier that voice sense depends on sentence and tense, and for this today we will learn voice sense on present continuous tense or present progressive tense. My dear student, have a look at the blackboard. My dear students, today we will learn voice tense on present continuous tense, and present continuous tense is already clear to you because you learned tense item in my previous classes. So you know it better what a continuous sentence is. Then I will give some example on present continuous tense. She is watching TV. She is watching TV. My dear student, have a look at the blackboard. She is watching TV. Here, subject she, VT is watching TV, object. Subject, VT, object. These three things I have already said that these three things should be clear to you. Subject, VT and object. Then according to the rules of voice tense, the object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. Is it clear? The object of an active sentence becomes the subject of an active sentence. Then we will shift TV in the beginning as a subject. TV. And here you have to take auxiliary verbs. In present continuous tense there are three auxiliary verbs: am, is and am, is or are. You have to choose one from these three verbs, auxiliary verbs. TV subject verb agreement should be is. TV is, and it is a continuous sentence. For ing you have to bring being here, being. TV is being. Then passive voice. In a passive voice, the verb that you bring from the active voice should be made past participle. My dear student, should be made past participle. Watch. Watch. Here the verb form is watch. And what is its PP form? Do you know? Was, ed. It will take ed with it. Was. Then in a passive voice you have to bring a preposition. Especially by comes in almost all the sentences. By. Then subjects, object. She is here subject, and after the preposition you have to bring the object of the active sentences subject. Here she is the subject of the active sentence. You have to make it, you have to change it into object. She, object, her. TV is being watched by her. Then you have to write the rules of the passive voice of present continuous tense. Rule. Objects, subject. Plus auxiliary verb am is are plus. My dear student, have a close look at the rule object subject. Object subject here has come, then auxiliary verb am is or are, then being 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 plus pp of the main verb. Object subject auxiliary verb am is or are plus being plus pp of the main verb plus by plus subjects object. My dear student, write the rule down on your notebook. Write the rule down on your notebook. On this is the rules of present continuous tenses passive voice. Please write down this rule on your notebook, and you will get 3 minutes time to write this rule. My dear student, have you written the rule? Please write down, and after you have written the rule of this item or this tense, present progressive or present continuous tense, then I will give you some example sentences to make them into passive. Okay, I am now cleaning the blackboard because you have written the rule on your notebook. So, then get ready, my dear student, get ready to do some example sentence. To do some example sentence on this tense. They are catching fish. They are catching fish. Passive, you have to make it into passive. The farmers are cutting paddy. The farmers are cutting paddy. Then she is making tea. She is making tea. You are doing your homework. He is selling rice. He is selling rice. My dear student, you have to change these 5 active voice into passive, and you will get 5 minutes time. After you have 3 minutes time. 3 minutes time, and you have to make it into passive according to the rule. Please then start making them passive, my dear student. Didi. My dear students, are you writing? Okay. Then write down the passive voice of these active sentences. Three minutes remaining. Okay, then I am now giving you the answers, and you have to check what you have written. Understand? Okay, then check it. They are catching fish. Fish is being caught by them. My dear student, then check what you have written. Fish is being caught by them. The farmers are cutting paddy. Then paddy is being cut by the farmers. Paddy is being cut by the farmer. She is making tea. Tea is being made by her. You are doing your homework. Then your homework is being done by you. Rice is being sold by him. My dear students, now please check the answers that you have written down on your notebook. Thanks.